Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Johil Islam and I am a currently student of Bachelor of Science in Software Engineering at Daffodil International University. I admitted in spring 2023 and now I am in third year and completing my fifth semester. I am thrilled to be part of this innovative academic environment. I completed my secondary school certificate SSC in 2018 in the science group, achieving a golden CGPA 5 out of 5 from Fort Jalai School, and then I completed my higher secondary certificate SSC in 2020 in the science group, again with a golden CGPA 5 out of 5 from the renowned Government Rajendra College, Faridpur. Now I maintain a strong CGPA that is over the CGPA 3.50. I have always been passionate about technology, problem solving and creative thinking, why I choose software engineering as my major. This field aligns perfectly with my interest in developing solutions that can make a real-world impact. Over the course of my academic journey, I have developed several technical skills such as programming language, C, Java, Python, and database management system, MySQL. Tools is Microsoft Office, Excel, PowerPoint, GitHub, Visual Studio Code, and others. Problem solving, logical thinking, algorithm design. These skills have helped me with various projects and assignments, and I continue to develop them in my coursework and personal project I completed. That are some of my noticeable projects: library management system using C language, online shopping system using Java, fan speed control system based on robotics, fund management system using SQL. I am currently focused on developing my skills in data science because I am deeply passionate about working with data, solving real world problems and uncovering insights through analysis. I am learning tools like Python, SQL and machine learning and continuously improving my knowledge in statistics and data visualization. My goal is to build a strong career in this field and contribute to data-driven decision-making in impactful industries. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Daffodil International University for the One Student, One Laptop initiative, which has greatly supported students like me. I am especially thankful to our Honorable Chairman Sir Dr. Mohammad Sobur Khan, whose visionary leadership has made this initiative possible. With the help of this DCL branded laptop, I will be able to enhance my programming skills, work on real-life projects, and improve my capabilities as a future software engineer. Thank you again to Daffodil International University and Dr. M.D. Sobur Khan sir for empowering students like me with the necessary tools to succeed, because as a software engineering student, a laptop is not luxury. It is a need. This initiative will certainly help me grow and be prepared for the job market. Finally, I would like to introduce myself about who I am. I am Muhammad Johil Islam and seeker of knowledge, a builder of ideas and believer for a meaningful change. Thanks for your valuable time. Assalamualaikum.